Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open your Logic Pro X session and immediately set the project key signature to the target key so everything aligns. Next, duplicate the track or regions. You want a safety copy before altering pitch. Once done, select the audio region, enable Flex from the toolbar, and choose Flex Pitch for vocal or monophonic audio. For MIDI or sampled instruments, you can skip Flex and work in the piano roll. Make sure the original is muted as you work. You now perform the actual key change. For MIDI tracks, select the regions and set the transpose value in the region inspector to shift by semitones. This preserves MIDI data and expression. Once done, quantize or adjust note lengths as needed. For audio, open the audio track editor with Flex Pitch and adjust each detected note to match the new scale degrees, correct formant or timing artifacts. Alternatively, insert a pitch shifter plugin on the channel for consistent whole track transposition and tweak mix setting. You finish by updating the project key signature in global tracks and checking all parts against the new harmony. This ensures chords and MIDI regions align. Once done, listen critically and apply gentle formant correction or EQ to reduce robotic timbre, and add reverb or saturation to blend shifted audio. If you hear glitches, revert to the duplicate version and try smaller semitone steps or use a higher quality pitch algorithm. Finally, bounce stems to confirm the change and keep the backup intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.